Next one is exercise 2.2. Here in this first one is if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal or not? First write here A intersection B. We have to find A intersection B. Here first set A elements. What are that? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And middle intersection here. And B equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here intersection means what? We have to write only which elements here? Only common elements. That is, which elements are here? 1, 2, 3 is in A and 1, 2, 3 is in B also. Then A intersection B means we have to write only these three elements. That is 1, 2 and 3. Only common elements. Next we have to find out what B intersection A. B intersection A. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 intersection. That is, first we have to write set B and next set A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here in this also we have to write which elements? Only common elements. That is, what are the common elements here? Again 1, 2, 3 are the common elements. Here 1, 2, 3 is in B and 1, 2, 3 is in A. Now we have to write here 1, 2 and 3. Let it be 1 and let it be 2. Now what we observed from these two here, A intersection B and B intersection A both are what? Equal. From 1 and 2, what we observed? A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Next one is if A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, find A minus B and B minus A. To find A minus B and B minus A here, first write A set elements, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 minus set B is what? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Now A minus B equals to, this is what? Difference of two sets. Then what are the elements in this set here? Only we have to write set A elements which are not in B. Which are not in B here. One see here 2, 4 and 2, 4, 8 and 10 elements are only in A but not in B. But here once you observe this 6 is in A and 6 is in B also. Now we have to write the remaining elements in set A. What are that elements except 6, 2, 4, 8 and 10? 2, 4, 8 and 10. Next one is what? B minus A. That is, set B is what here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minus, here A is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now we have to write what? Here this is set B. That is, in this we have to write only set B elements which are not in A. Once you observe, by observing this here 6 is in B and 6 is in A. Now we have to write remaining elements in set B. What are that here? 3, 9, 12 and 15. 3, 9, 12 and 15. That is, this is B minus A. And once you observe these two, A minus B and B minus A, both are not equal. A intersection B equals to B intersection A, but A minus B is not equals to B minus A. Next one is, if A equals to X such that X is a natural number, and b equals to x such that x is an even natural number, and c equals to x such that x is an odd natural number, and d equals to x such that x is a prime. Then we have to find out a intersection b, a intersection c, and b intersection d. Once see here it is in what? Set builder form. First write these are in roster form. That is we have to write the elements. That is x is a natural number. That is natural numbers means what here? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And next one, x is an even natural number. That is here even numbers means what here? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. And next, here it is what? X is an odd natural number. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now, here it is what? X is a prime. That is prime numbers means what here? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. Now from that we have to find out first one is what? A intersection B. A intersection B. See once this is A and this is B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. Intersection. Next one set B. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Now, intersection means what? We have to write only common elements. What are the common elements? This is natural number set and this is even number set. These even numbers you write from only natural numbers. Then their intersection means it is equals to what here? This is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Here it is natural numbers and it is even numbers. That's why it is what? Only even numbers. And next one is what? A intersection C. A intersection C. Here set A is what? Natural number set. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And intersection set C. C is what here? Odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now it is what? These are odd numbers and these are natural numbers. Then their intersection means what? Common elements. That is common elements are only 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. This is A intersection C. Next one is what? B intersection D. B is what here? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Intersection D. Set D is what? Only prime numbers. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. Now it is equals to what here? Once you observe these two sets here, this is what? Even number set. And this is what? Prime number set. In this common elements are only what? This is an even prime is only 2. And here even number is what here? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. That's why here intersection means only the element is only 2 here. Only the common element is here 2. This is even number set and this is prime number set. In prime number set we are having only one even prime, that is 2 here. In this way you can find these values: A intersection B, A intersection C, and B intersection D. Next one is exercise 2.3. In that first one is which of the following sets are equal. In that first is A equals to X such that X is a letter in the word follow, and B equals to X such that X is a letter in the word flow, and C equals to X such that X is a letter in the word wolf. Now here these are in set builder form. Now we have to write these in what? Roster form. That is first write set A. Here the letters are what? F, O. L is repeated twice and O is also repeated twice. And here it is what? W. That is F comma O comma L comma W. These are the letters. And next one is what here? B. B equals to what? X is a letter in the word flow. And here also the elements are F, L, O and W. Here anyone is not repeated. Direct write F, L, O, W. And next C. And in C also what? X is a letter in the word wolf. That is what here? W, O. Next one is what? L. And next one is what? F. Once you observe all these three here F, F, F and L, 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 O, 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 W, W, W. That means here the elements are what? Same elements here. That is, the question is which of the following sets are equal? Which sets are equal here? Here A equals to B equals to C. That is, these three sets are equal. A and B and C both these three sets are equal sets. Next one is list the subset of the following. In this first one is P comma Q. We have to write subset of this set P comma Q. See once what are the subset here. Subsets are here. First one is empty set is a subset of every set. That is here pi. Empty set is denoted by pi. And here next one is P. P is a subset of P comma Q. And in the same way Q is a subset of P comma Q. And next one is what? Every set is a subset of itself. That is here P comma Q. Empty set is a subset of every set. And every set is a subset of itself. And except that we are having what here? P, Q elements. P is a subset and Q is a subset of P comma Q. These are the subsets here. That is, here once you see, if the number of elements are n, then the number of subsets in the set is here 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n. Here we are having how many elements here? 2. That is here number of subsets are how many? 2 power n means here 2 square. That is equals to 4. Once you see 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the same way see the second one also. That is x, y, z. That is here for this subsets are what? First one is empty set is a subset of every. Next x is a subset and y is a subset and z is a subset. And next one is what? X comma y is also a subset. X comma y is a subset. And next one is y comma z. And next one is what? X comma z. X comma z. After that, every set is a subset of itself. That is x, y, z. X, y, z. Once you see here the number of elements are how many? 3. That is number of subsets are how many here in this case? 2 cube equals to 8. Once you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 subsets are there. Here number of elements are 4. Then here 2 to the power of 4. Then the subsets are how many? 16. In this way you can write the subsets of the given sets. Next one, in each of the following state whether A equals to B or not. In this first one is A equals to ABCD and B equals to DCAB. Once you observe in these two sets the elements are same. That is A, B, B and C, C and D, D. That is here the elements are same. In above two sets, elements are same. Therefore, these two sets are what? equal sets. That is, therefore, A is equals to B here because these two sets are having same elements. And next observe this one. For A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B equals to 8, 4, 16, 18. And here in A set we are having 4, 8 and B set also we are having 4, 8. But in A set we are having 12, 16, here 16, 18. Here 16 is there but 12 is in not B. That is, here A and B are not containing the same elements. That's why here A is not equals to what? B. A is not equals to B because A and B are not having the same elements. Because A and B are not having same elements. Next one is, here A equals to what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and B equals to X such that X is a positive even integer and X is less than 10. Here set A is in what here? Roster from direct 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then here what about B here? Here B is X such that X is a positive even integer and X is less than 10. That is, here set B is containing which elements here? B equals to even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. But here it is what? Less than 10. Then we have to write up to 8 only. That is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here set A is up to 10. Here set B is up to 8 only. In this case also A and B are not having the same elements. Therefore A is not equals to B. A is not equals to B. And next one is what? X such that X is a multiple of 10 and B is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here multiple of 10 means here set A is containing which elements here? 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. That is, here set A and set B elements are same or not. Once you see here 10, 20, 30, 40. Here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is, here also set A and B are not containing the same elements. Therefore, A is not equals to B. A is not equals to B. If both the sets are containing the same elements, then only that sets are equal.
Want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.